Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Jeep Wrangler JL. First, gather your tools: a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. You'll also need 6 quarts of 0W20 synthetic oil and a new oil filter. Always park your Jeep on a level surface and engage the parking brake. This ensures a safe and stable environment for your oil change. Proper preparation makes the entire process much smoother and quicker. Now, let's drain the old oil. First, locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan, usually towards the front of the engine. Position your drain pan directly underneath the plug to ensure all the old oil is collected. Using your 13mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow all the old oil to completely drain out, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Be patient to get it all. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter and fresh oil. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of new oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 turn. Finally, pour 6 quarts of fresh 0W20 synthetic oil into the engine's oil fill cap. Double-check your work. After refilling, start your engine and let it run for a minute, checking for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. Turn off the engine, wait about 5 minutes for the oil to settle, then check the oil level using the dipstick. Add more oil if needed to reach the full mark. Remember to dispose of your old oil responsibly. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to those and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.